Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data. Back up to iCloud or to a computer so nothing is lost. Once the backup finishes, sign out of iCloud in Settings to remove activation lock. Now plug in the charger if the battery is below 50%. Make sure the device stays powered through the process. Finally, go to Settings and open General to start the erase sequence. This gets us to the real factory reset steps immediately. You tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPad, and choose Erase all content and settings to trigger the wipe. When prompted, enter your device passcode and then your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. This is crucial for a complete reset. After you confirm, the iPad will prepare the erase and reboot. You'll see the Apple logo and a progress bar. Make sure to leave it connected and do not interrupt the reboot until it completes. You'll finish when the welcome screen appears. At that point, set up as new or restore from your backup. If activation lock prompts appear, sign in with the original Apple ID. This is why signing out before erasing matters. If the iPad stalls or never leaves the Apple logo, connect it to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to enter recovery mode and reinstall iPad OS. This recovers devices that get stuck during the erase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.